First of all, you need to know what kind of surfaces you can flatten. You cannot just take any cylinder with no openings on the surface and make it flat, because it doesn't make any sense. You do, however, can make a cylinder flat if there is a cut on one side. I created a small opening in my surface, for that matter, if you don't mind. And it is easy because the sketch I used is a circle like this, so it has an opening, so I don't want to get into that detail. You have your surface, and I have done some cuttings here. Now I want to know how this surface looks in a flattened surface. As I said, you would go to the surface tab, and there is this feature called flatten surface. Here, flatten a surface or selected faces. You just pick your surface, and you need an edge or a point as a fixed anchoring point. If you have a cylinder with opening and you get this edge here fixed, so it opens it like this, makes it flat. I just do it. I'll pick one of the lines, I don't really care which one, and it makes it flat. Boom! How was it? Did you learn anything? I hope now you know how to flatten a surface. If you want to learn more, I will upload weekly tutorials about SolidWorks product design on my website, and you can access my website here. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check the latest video I've uploaded to this channel. Hope to see you next week.